Sure, listen to this. Listen to this.
On a point of order.
What's the point of order?
You know, Speaker, who must be taken serious. The President answers a question, says absolutely nothing, and then he laughs.
Honorable.
It means our questions are jokes here.
Honorable Ndlozi, please take your seat.
But Speaker, you must protect us.
Please take your seat.
The President has said absolutely nothing to the question, and then he laughs.
Honorable Ndlozi.
This is not Trevor. I've been telling him this is not Trevor Noah's show.
I tell you, Baba maru serious ngali country vele serious. Ambuzi mbuzo. Bambuzi nde serious ngali baba. Usiya babuza can I laugh? Can I? Baba mhlambe nakwakhe bana ukuthi baba ngiprek uza. Ubani? Yimi. Nalo Ndlozi ombuza yena uNdlozi naye akakami. Bob yangithina wenzela. Baba bambuza ngeimali serious. So ucabangani ngale nge-MTN ne-tax uza. Ababhadali. Uyangithina makahleka.
Is it not a nervous reaction?
He's not nervous. No, he's not nervous. No, because after the ngathi uNdlozi ngathi my president yethu kube isangoma bathi uDaddy Sangoma ngathi yo eParliament point of order yo abaphansi abafumi ngikhulume nani order yo adabona don't sniff ungezwa mangosuthi that wenzani Steve ongiphemise nambona ngiyedeben namhlanje athi ngeke khuluma into esikhuluma yeah baba you must be careful